her do stuff, then she might like dolls.
What are you doing with the tractors, buddy? Are you putting one tractor on top of the other one? For what reason? Huh? They have to go? I like the little tractor.
It's going.
It's going? Whoa, it fell! Whoa, it fell. Whoa, it fell. What are you doing, Max? Are you putting the tractor on top of the other tractor again? Tell Mommy. Tell Mommy what you're doing. Max, tell Mommy what you're doing. You fix it, honey. You did it?
It's going.
It is? Uh-oh. What happened to it?
Okay,
What happened to it? You did what? I don't understand.
beat it. Next, beat it.